Hello everyone, we are Team Parag Aggarwal. We are here to present our communication skill project on AI in healthcare. Now let us introduce ourselves.
I am Sai Krishna, IT first sem.
I am Rahul Das, IT first sem.
I am Madhumita, IT first sem.
I am Pradya Ranjivne from IT First Sem.
I am Rakesh Rathod, IT first sem.
I am Raghav, IT first sem. Thank you. First of all, we would like to thank our institute, NIT Raipur, and Professor Dr. Anup Kumar Tiwari sir for giving this golden learning opportunity.
We would also like to thank our director N.V. Ramana Rao sir and HOD of Humanities and Social Science Dr. Samir Bajpai sir.
This had helped us to learn how to create video and speak like tenor speaker and give also confidence.
You like our video?
Artificial intelligence in healthcare is one of the most significant development of modern era. While AI is often associated with technology and engineering field, its role in the medical sector is equally transformative. In today's world, AI is used in almost every domain. So it is not surprised that healthcare domain, one of the most crucial sector for humanity, has also embraced this innovation. Though opinions differ about AI safety, reliability, and its impact on employment, the advantage it offers far outweigh the drawbacks. AI has proven to be not only efficient but also capable of performing highly precise and accurate tasks that can save lives and improve the overall quality of healthcare. AI has reshaped the way we look at medical care. Traditionally, healthcare has relied heavily on human expertise, clinical experience, and manual documentation. However, with the introduction of AI, everything from diagnosis to treatment and patient management has undergone a major transformation. AI system can analyze complex medical data far faster than human and can detect patterns invisible to human eyes. For example, AI can interpret radiology images, identify subtle anomalies, and even predict potential health issues before symptom appears. This had made medical care faster, more efficient, and more reliable. One of the most notable advantage of AI in healthcare is its contribution to accurate diagnosis and early detection. AI algorithms are being used to scan radiology images such as X-rays, CT scan, and MRIs to detect diseases like cancer condition, heart condition, and neurological disorder. Early diagnosis increases the success rate of treatment and improves patient survival rates. Similarly, AI-driven systems are assisting doctors during surgeries by providing real-time data, reducing risk, and improving surgical precision. Robotic assisted surgery, guided by AI, ensures steady, accurate movement, treat that minimize complication and recovery time. Apart from diagnosis, AI is also revolutionizing medical documentation and administrative efficiency. Healthcare professionals often spend significant time maintaining patients' record and handling administrative work. AI-powered system can automate this task, ensuring faster and more accurate documentation. This allows doctors and nurses to focus more on patients' care rather than paperwork. In hospital, AI help manages appointments, optimize schedules, and predict patient admissions, leading to better resource utilization. The application of AI in healthcare are incredibly broad and far-reaching. AI systems are already being used to analyze electronic health records, EHRS, and predict patient outcomes. These systems can identify patients at risk of certain conditions and suggest preventive measures. AI is also transforming clinical trial design by identifying suitable candidates for research and predicting how patients might respond to experimental treatment. Moreover, with AI integrated into hospital system, outpatient clinics, and even wearable health devices at home, healthcare delivery has become more connected and personalized. This integration allows medical providers to offer smarter, faster, and more efficient care, ultimately improving patient satisfaction and overall health outcomes. The story of AI in healthcare began prominently with IBM Watson and one of the earliest and most well-known AI systems. In 2011, IBM introduced Watson Health, a system that used natural language processing to interpret and analyze medical data. It was among the first examples of how AI could assist in medical decision making. Watson demonstration the ability to process vast amount of research paper, clinical notes and patient history to support doctors in making evidence-based decisions. Since then, other major tech companies such as Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon have entered the healthcare AI field developing innovative technologies for diagnostic, virtual health assistance, data management, and remote patient monitoring. The potential of AI in healthcare continues to expand rapidly. Expert predicts that AI will redefine how we process clinical data, diagnose complex diseases, discover new drugs, and even prevent illness before they occur. With AI, physicians and medical terms can make better informed decisions using real-time insights. For example, AI can track disease progression, analyze treatment, response, and help tailor therapies to each individual genetics and lifestyle factor. A practice known as personalized medicine. This precision driven approach not only saves times and costs but also ensure that patients receive the most effective treatment possible. Moreover, AI is playing a growing role in drug discovery and development. Traditional drug development is a time consuming and expensive process that can take years. AI accelerates this process by analyzing millions of chemical compounds and predicting which combinations are more likely to work against specific diseases. This speeds up the development of new medicine and reduces the risk and cost of bringing them to the market. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is not merely a technological advancement, it is a healthcare revolution for diagnosis and surgery to patient monitoring and hospital management. AI is improving every aspect of the medical field. It assists doctor in making accurate decisions, enhance the efficiency of healthcare delivery and makes treatment more accessible and affordable. However, while AI can analyze data and predict outcomes, it cannot replace the compassion, empathy, and intuition that human doctors provide. The future of healthcare lies in striking the perfect balance between human expertise and AI innovation. Together, they can create a healthcare system that is smarter, more human, and capable of serving humanity better than ever before. Outcomes it cannot replace the compassion, empathy, and intuition that human doctors provide. The future of healthcare lies in striking the perfect balance between human expertise and AI innovation. Together, they can create a healthcare system that is smarter, more human, and capable of serving humanity better than ever before.
Opportunities in the diagnostics. The role of artificial intelligence in the recent years. Artificial intelligence has emerged as one of the most transformative technologies in the healthcare. Among its applications, diagnostics stands out of an area where AI can bring about revolutionary improvements. Diagnostics is the foundation of the healthcare. Accurately identifying diseases and conditioning is one of the most important essential steps before treatment can be initiated. Traditionally, diagnostics has relied heavily on the expertise of the medical professions who might interpret clinical symptoms, imaging scans, and laboratory results. While doctors and specialists are highly trained, human diagnosis is inherently subject to limitations such as fatigue, time constraint, and variable interpretations. AI technologies, especially machine learning and deep learning, offer significant opportunities to overcome these limitations and to enhance diagnostic accuracy and accessibility. This essay explores the opportunities presented by AI in diagnostics, particularly in the medical imaging and pathology, highlights innovation can save the lives, reduces healthcare costs, and democratizes the access to the every healthcare clinic centers. AI in medical imaging is a crucial diagnostics tool in ultrasounds, MRI, CT scans, and mammograms. Traditionally, radiologists interpret these images to detect the abnormalities such as franchise, tumors, and infections. However, imagination of the interpretations is often challenging, time intensive, and prone to errors. particularly in the early stage of the disease when subtle signs like may be used. AI-based systems powered to by deep neural networks have demonstrated remarkable success in the field. For instance, cancer detection AI algorithm can analyze mammograms to identify the tumors at an early stages, often before they become clinically noticeable. Early detection of the great improvements of the survival rates in the breast cancer, making this application particularly impactful. Neurological imaging in the brain scans, AI can detect many early marketings of the conditions such as the diseases or strokes for the earlier than the conventional diagnosis. This allows for the timely intervention and improvement patient's outcome. Lung diseases. AI can show professionally in the analyzing the chest X-ray and the CT scans of the detection of the tuberculosis, pneumonia, and even early signs of the lung cancers. This especially valuable in the regions where access to the radiologist to limit out. Studies have shown that furthermore, AI systems do not tire can process thousands of the images within the minutes and ensure that the consistency in interpretation. This combination of the speed and accuracy highlights a transformative opportunity in the diagnostics. AI in pathology. Pathology, the study of the disease at the tissue or the unicellular level, plays a central role in the diagnosis. Traditionally, pathologists examine biopsy sample under a microscope to detect the abnormalities, such as cancer changes. This process, while effective in the laboratory intensive and highly dependent on individual opportunities. AI has the potential to revolutionize the pathology by digitalizing and automating much of the analysis. Using digital pathology slides and advanced machine learning, AI systems can identify cancers at the microscopic level. By analyzing biopsy slides, AI can distinguish between the beginners and the maculans, often with a great precision than the human observers. Qualified diseases professionals said that the AI can do more accuracy than a professional doctors. This leads to a vast diversity in the medical field by the interpretation of the AI in the medical fields. Enhancement of the consistency, human interpretations have been allotted to many fields. Like I would like to say a case which has been happened in a city. Like there is a doctor who might have many interpretations about the technologies. Like when he was went to the clinical shop, he observed that the many people are suffering from tumors which has less technology in that time, and he analyzed the a chart of the a chart of the person's diseases in an accurate way, and he found a database pie chart which revolutionized the system of AI in the healthcare. But after this, there is a many disadvantages of using AI in healthcare also. Reduced diagnostic errors. Diagnosis errors has a major concern in the healthcare, with studies suggesting that the millions of patients worldwide are disadvantages of the every year. These errors may lead to the delayed treatments, unnecessary interpretations, and even fatalities. AI presents an opportunity to significantly reduce diagnostic errors by acting as a second pair of eyes. For instance, an AI system can flag potential abnormalities in an X-ray that a radiologist may not be overlooked. Similarly, AI-driven decisions support tools can provide doctors with evidence-based suggestions. By combining the strength of the human expertise, AI precisely, the risk of diagnostic errors may be minimized. By using the AI in the medical field, we can manage the time and the consistency around the people, time and costly efficiency. Healthcare system globally are burned by the rising patient loads, limited resources, and high costs. Diagnostics, while essential, gives provide us a solution of this challenged by the automatic repetitive tasks. For example, initially screening of the X-rays or blood tests results can be handled by AI, allowing specialists to focus on complex cases. Faster interpretation of the AI in the healthcare have many significant uses, which can analyze thousands of medical images and pathology slides in a fraction of time seconds, leading to the specialist to do more concentration on the complex reactions. It can also reduce cost reduction by improving accuracy and efficiency. AI minimizes the need for the repetitive tests or unnecessary procedures, reducing overall health prescription. This efficiency not only benefits healthcare providers but also patients who may quickly diagnostics or treatment with the lower costs. Expanding access to the healthcare. One of the most significant opportunities of AI in diagnostics is its ability to provide reliable healthcare support in the regions lacking medical specialists. In rural or urban areas, access to the trained radiologists and pathologists is often AI-powered diagnosis tools. When interpreted into the healthcare instructions, can help bridge this gap. For example, mobile X-ray machines coupled with AI analysis can be deployed in the rural areas to screen or tuberculosis. AI-driven tuberculosis pathology can digitalize and analyze biopsy slides, remoted and providing instant results. These where pathologists are unavailable. Smartphone-based diagnosis tools powered by AI can analyze retail and remains the same detection diabetes property. By democratizing access to the high quality diagnostics, AI has the potential to reduce health inequalities and ensure that the potential in the community to receive and timely care. Future opportunities and the challenges, while the opportunities are immense in the AI driven technologies, or faces the challenges that need to be addressed are widespread adoptions. Data quality and the diversity AI technology has a algorithm which can be large amount of the quality, high quality database for the training, ensuring the diversity in the healthcare. Many people are often using this healthcare to the minimize the AI database structures. Ethical considerations. Issues such as data privacy, informed consent, and transparency have the AI decisions making most of the carefully managed. Despite these challenges, the trajectory is clear. AI will continue to expand its role in the diagnostics, offering unparalleled opportunities for improving healthcare opportunities. The conclusion of the above based data is like the interpretation of the AI in the diagnostics represents one of the most promising frontier in the modern medicine. From analyzing medical imaging and pathology slides to reduce errors, saving time, and expanding access to the care, AI is reshaping the way diseases are detected and managed. Its ability to match and suppress human accuracy in the special domains, combined with its efficiency and scalability, make it powerfully in the fight against diseases. As the technology matures, the partnership between the human expertise and the AI become the confidential in the AI diagnostics. Doctors and the specialists will continue to provide context, empathy, and complex decisions making, while AI offers unmatched precision, speed, and consistency. Together, they can ensure early detection, better outcomes, and a more equitable healthcare system overall. In short, AI is not merely a tool but a transformative force in diagnostics, an opportunity to create a future where healthcare is a faster, smarter, and more accessible to every individual and regarding of the geology of the resources. And I would like to conclude this by saying that AI has a many diversity improvement in the medicine field which can reduce the stress among the doctors, and this is the last opportunity of mine. Jai Hind.
Artificial intelligence in personalized treatment and drug discovery. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the field of medicine, bringing transformative opportunities in personalized treatment and drug discovery. These advancements are making healthcare more precise, efficient, and patient centered. By harnessing massive data sets and applying advanced algorithms, AI enables medicine professionals to provide tailored care, accelerate research, and enhance patient outcomes in ways that were once unimaginable. Personalized treatment refers to the customization of medical care according to individuals' genetic. Rather than relying on standardized treatments, AI plays a crucial role in achieving the vision by analyzing vast and complex datasets, including electronic health records, artificial intelligence in personalized treatment, and drug discovery. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the field of medicine, bringing transformative opportunities in personalized treatment and drug discovery. These advancements are making healthcare more precise, efficient, and patient centered by harnessing massive datasets and applying advanced algorithms. AI enables medical professionals to provide tailored care, accelerate research, and enhance patient outcomes in ways that were once unimaginable. Personalized treatment refers to a customization of medical care according to an individual's genetic makeup. AI plays a crucial role in achieving their vision by analyzing vast and complex datasets, including electronic health records, genomic sequences, medical imaging, and data wearable devices. Through sophisticated machine learning algorithms, AI can identify patterns, trends, and correlations that might be too subtle or complex for human clinicians to detect. For instance, AI powered predictive models can analyze a patient's genetic profile to forecast how they respond to specific drugs or therapies. This ability ensures the patients receive treatments that are both effective and safe, minimizing potential side effects and improving recovery rates. In oncology, for example, AI can be used to design personalized cancer therapies by matching patients with drugs that target the precise genetic mutations. Such innovations have led to significant improvements in survival rates and quality of life for many cancer patients. Beyond predicting treatment responses, AI can support early diagnosis and preventive care. By analyzing medical images, CT scans, and MRIs, AI can detect minute abnormalities that may indicate early stages of diseases like cancer or Alzheimer's. Similarly, AI tools can interpret data from wearable devices to monitor heart rate, blood sugar levels, or sleep patterns, altering both patients and physicians to early signs of health deterioration. This proactive approach not only saves lives but also reduces healthcare costs by preventing severe complaints before they develop. AI driven personalized treatment is particularly valuable for managing chronic and complex conditions such as diabetics, cardiovascular diseases, and neurological disorders. In these cases, a one size fits all strategies often fails because patients vary widely in how they respond to treatment. AI helps clinicians continuously adjust medications, diet plans, or exercise routines based on real time patient data, ensuring that care remains dynamic and responsive. In the realm of drug discovery, AI is proving to be equally transformative. Traditionally, discovering a new drug is a time consuming and expensive process, often taking over a decade and costing billions of dollars. Researchers must sift through enormous chemical libraries and conduct thousands of experiments to find a single effective compound. AI, however, can process millions of chemical structures and biological data points within a fraction of time, dynamically accelerating the discovery process. Machine learning models can predict which chemical compound are most likely to interact effectively with a target protein, stimulate how drugs behave in the human body, and even suggest novel molecular structures that could serve a potential treatment. For example, during the COVID 19 pandemic, AI algorithms helped scientists rapidly identify candidate molecules that could inhibit the virus, significantly speeding up research timelines. AI also aids in drug repurposing, finding new therapeutic uses for existing medications, which is a faster and more cost effective way to bring treatments to patients. Moreover, AI can optimize clinical trials, which are crucial but often inefficient stages in drugs development. By analyzing patient data, AI can help select suitable participants based on genetic compatibility or predicted drug response, monitor their progress is real time, and quickly detect adverse effects. This is not only enhances patient safety but also increases the success rate of trials, making the overall process more effective and transparent. AI's impact extends beyond intermediate clinical applications. It is also advancing precision medicine research by integrating data from diverse sources such as genomics, proteomics, lifestyle factors, and environmental exposures. This integration enables researchers to uncover new disease mechanisms, identify biomarkers for early diagnosis, and develop targeted therapies that can treat diseases as their root cause rather than merely managing symptoms. Despite these remarkable advancements, there are still challenges to address. Concerns around data privacy, algorithmic transparency, and ethical use of patient data remain significant. Additionally, collaboration between clinicians, data scientists, and regulatory bodies is essential to ensure that AI applications are safe, unbiased, and reliable. In conclusion, AI intelligence offers a groundbreaking opportunity in both personalized treatment and drug discovery, transforming healthcare into a more predictive, preventive, and patient focused system. By combining human expertise with AI driven insights, the medical field can deliver more accurate diagnosis.
Today I am delighted to speak on a topic that combines two of the most powerful forces shaping our world: healthcare and artificial intelligence. Specifically, the opportunities in patient care and hospital management with the use of AI. Healthcare has always been about saving lives, reducing suffering, and improving well being. But with the growing complexity of the diseases, rising patient numbers, and limited medical sources, traditional methods alone are no longer enough. This is where AI steps is not as the replacement for doctors and caregivers. Let us first look at the patient care. AI is transforming how we diagnose, treat, and monitor patients. For example, AI powered tools can analyze X rays, CT scans, and MRIs. These remarkable speed and accuracy, often deleting diseases like cancer in their earliest stages. Virtual health assistants and chatbots can answer patient queries 24 by 7, improving accessibilities. Remote monitoring devices connected with AI can track heart rate, sugar levels, or oxygen levels in real time, allowing patients to receive care even from their homes. This is not only reduces hospital visuals but also provides continuous personalized care. For young professionals, this opens up opportunities in fields like medical data analysis, AI-based diagnostic, telemedicine platforms, remote monitoring devices connected with AI can track heart rate, sugar levels, or oxygen levels in real time, allowing patients to receive care even from their homes. This is not only reduces hospital visits but also provides continuous personalized care. For young professionals, this opens up opportunities in the fields like medical data analysis, AI-based diagnosis, telemedicine platforms, and patient engagement technologies. Now, turning to hospital management, AI has immense potential to make hospitals smarter and more efficient. AI driven scheduling systems can optimize the use of operating rooms, reduce waiting times, and allot staff effectively. Predictive analytics can forecast patient admissions, helping hospitals prepare resources in advance. Even supply chain management, like ensuring life saving drugs and equipment are available when needed, can be enhanced through AI. For administrators, AI tools can streamline billing, reduce paperwork, and detect fraud in insurance claims. This creates opportunities for careers in healthcare, analytical, AI based administration, health informatics, and quality management. What is truly exciting is that AI brings interdisciplinary opportunities. Doctors, endurance can work with AI systems for better decision making. Engineers and computer scientists can design medical algorithms. Managers can integrate AI into hospital system for efficiency, and research can use AI to predict future health trends. This makes the healthcare sector one of the richest fields of innovation. To conclude, the use of AI in patient care and hospital management is not just a technical revolution, it is a humanitarian one. It opens countless opportunities for doctors, nurses, managers, engineers, and innovators to work together for a healthier tomorrow. And above all, it reminds us that the ultimate goal of healthcare remains the same: healing lives with both intelligence and heart. Thank you. From the above topic, I would like to conclude that artificial intelligence has merged as one of the most promising technologies for reshaping modern healthcare by enhancing both patient care and from the above topic, I would like to conclude that artificial intelligence has emerged as one of the most promising technologies for reshaping modern healthcare by enhancing both patient care and hospital management. In the above domain of patient care, AI improves doctors and healthcare professionals with tools for early and more accurate diagnosis, personalized treatment planning, and real time monitoring of patients. From analyzing complex medicinal images to predicting disease risk through the genetic data, AI reduces human error and enables timely interventions. Virtual health assistants and wearable devices further extend care beyond hospital walls, ensuring patients remain connected to healthcare providers and receive continuous support. Such advantages not only improve health outcomes but also build greater trust between patients and the healthcare system. On the other hand, in hospital management, AI offers significant opportunities to streamline operations and reduce inefficiencies. Predictive analytics can forecast patient admissions and optimize resource allocation, ensuring that bed staff and medical equipment are used effectively. AI also improves administrative workflows by automating data entry in electronic health records, managing billing accuracy, and detecting infront claims. Smart chatbots help patients with scheduling and information queries, thus reducing the burden of hospital staff. Looking ahead, the potential of AI extends even further with innovations such as robotic surgery, digital twins of patients, and population health management systems that can predict public health trends. However, it is important to note that AI is not a replacement for medical professionals. Instead, it acts as an intelligent assistant, supporting and administrating, making faster. In conclusion, the adoption of AI in healthcare represents a shift towards more patient-centered, efficient, and sustainable systems, ultimately shaping the future of global healthcare delivery.
Ethical challenges based on and fairness. AI learns from data, but data reflects the human basis. AI can reinforce and even amplify the discrimination. Example based on recruitment tools and unfair credit scoring. Transparency. The black box problems. Many AI systems, especially deep learning modes, and very hard in predict. If AI reads the loan and predicts the crime risk, the people may not know why. Accountability. If AI makes the harmful diseases, who is the responsibility? The programmer or the company or the AI system itself? This lack of accountability is the major ethical dilemma. Privacy challenges, the data structure and surveillance, and but collecting the personal data like location, health, browsing, history, face scanning resigns the question of consent and or the surveillance. Example: facial recognition used in public places. Data security. Sensitive information can be hacked or leaked, but AI systems are not secure. Anatomy risks. Even the anomalized data can sometimes be re-identified by the powerful AI algorithms and individual privacy. Legal challenges. Leaked or regulation. AI advance faster than laws. Many countries do not yet have clear the frameworks of AI use and liability and intellectual properties. Liability and responsibilities. If self-driving car causes an accident, is the car manufacturer or software developer or user responsibility? Legal system are struggling to define this cross-border issues. AI operates the globally, but laws different by different countries. Intellectual properties. The own AI creates the content and the developer if the AI systems current copyright and not full adapted to the conclusion. Ethically, we need fairness, transparency, and accountability. For privacy, we must protect the personal rights and consent. Legally, we need clear rules and global cooperation. The challenges is not just building smarter AI, but make sure its responsibility fair and aligned with the human values. Privacy challenges are equal and pressing. AI reflects a massive amount of data, much of its personal. From health, recording, browsing, history, facial recognition, scanning, AI system often collects the analyzing sensitive information. Next, every anomalous data always syncs powerful AI tools. Privacy challenges are equal perceiving. AI reflects the massive amount of data, much its personal, and health recording browser histories of facial recognition scans. AI system often collect the analyzing sensitive information. This creates the risks and surveillance, wherever individually monitoring without powerful AI tool can sometimes re-identify the people from suspendedly anomalous data sets. On legal sites, AI moves much faster than the laws then should be regulated. It many countries still lack of clear rules but how the AI be used, who is the liable when it causes harm. For intellectual properties applied for AI generation content. Self-driving example crashing fault with the car manufacturer or software developer or passenger. Law does not yet provided the simple answer. So the law is difficult to countries different from different countries. For a legal and national may be prohibited for it another. Intellectual properties is another unresolved questions. If an AI creates the music or art, even the new intellectual who is the owner, the right, the creator or of the AI, the user who promote it and or not at all.
Implementing AI is not like installing new software, it's an organizational overhaul. The data demand. AI modules are only as good as data they are trained on. The biggest hurdle is often the simple, unglamorous work of data cleaning, labeling, and ensuring quality. If the data is biased, the AI will be too, leading to unfair or inaccurate outcomes. This is often referred to as the garbage in, garbage out problem. Integration and legacy system. Most large organizations have years of established technology, legacy systems. Getting a cutting edge AI module to play nicely with older, rigid infrastructures is a massive technical and logistical headache. The black box problem. Many advanced AI modules, particularly deep learning networks, are so complex that even their creators cannot fully explain why they make a certain decision. The lack of transparency and explainability is a huge barrier, especially in regulated industries like finance and healthcare, where accountability is essential. Ethical and government gaps beyond bias, who is accurate when an AI system makes an error. Establishing clear governance framework and ethical guidance of AI is a challenging of ongoing process. Perhaps the most talked about consequence of AI is its impact on the workforce. The narrative is often polarized, either mass employment or pure utopia. The reality is more nuanced. Job transformation, not just displacement. AI excels at automating repetitive, high volume tasks, data entry, biasing analysis, routine customer service. This will certainly displace some roles, especially those requiring lower level skills. The rise of new roles. Crucially, AI also creates new jobs. We need data scientists, prompt engineers, AI ethics, and people skills in human collaboration. The focus shifts from doing repetitive tasks to managing, designing, and maintaining the AI systems. The skills gap. The shift creates a massive skills gap. The challenge for business and governments is urgent. Need to reskilling and upskilling programs to transition existing workers into these new higher value roles that emphasize uniquely human skills, creativity, critical thinking, empathy, and complex communication. The future is not about comparing with AI, it's about effectively work alongside it. The investment required for successful AI implementation is significant and extends far beyond just licensing software. Upfront development costs that includes the high salaries of specialized AI talent, data scientists, and ML engineers, and cost of hardware, particularly the powerful GPUs necessary for model training. A complex custom built AI solution can easily cost hundreds of thousands of dollars to develop. The data infrastructure tax. Before you even train the module, you must invest in robust data pipelines, storage, and security. The data infrastructure setup is a major, often underestimate cost driver, ongoing maintenance, and returning. AI models are not set it at and forget it. They suffer from drift. Their performance degrades over time as real world data changes. Constant monitoring, maintenance, and periodic retrying with the new data are necessary, adding substantial requiring optional costs. The hidden cost of change management. Finally, the cost of employee training, restructuring teams, and managing invisible resistance to change. The change management is a real, though often non-monetary investment. Despite these challenges and costs, the future outlook for AI is undeniably positive and transformative. Exponentially value. Studies predict AI will contribute trillions of dollars to the global economy over the next decades. The key driver is productively gains, doing more with the same of fewer resources. Hyper personalized and breakthroughs. We will see hyper personalized products and services and massive breakthroughs in fields like drug discovery, climate modeling, and personalized medicine. AI will move beyond optimizing to becoming a true tool for invention. Democratization of AI. The initial high costs are already starting to fall. We are moving towards a future where user friendly tools and pre-trained model can AI accessible to small and medium business, not just tech giants. The human imperative. The ultimate future of AI is not about replacing human entirely, but about amplifying human capabilities. It will handle the handling as us to focus on the truly creative, strategic, and relational work that defines us. The business and individuals who embrace this collaborate model with be the ones that thrive.
Question 1. The topic of our video is artificial intelligence in healthcare. It explains how AI is transforming the healthcare sector by improving diagnosis, treatment, patient care, and hospital management, while also addressing challenges related to ethics, privacy, and cost. We choose this topic because AI in healthcare is one of the most impactful and rapidly developing areas today. It connects technology and medicine, showing how innovation can improve human lives by making healthcare more accurate, efficient, and accessible for everyone. We choose Parag Aggarwal, the former CEO of Twitter. We choose Parag Agrawal because he is an Indian origin technology leader who represents innovation, intelligence and global influence in AI driven digital world. His background in engineering and data science inspired us as he symbolizes how Indian talent contribute to technological advancement like AI. His leadership at Twitter reflects the importance of AI in imagining massive data and improving user experience, skills that also relate closely to how AI works in healthcare systems. The experience has been very enriching and educational. We learned how to research deeply, organize content, and communicate technical ideas effectively. Working together on projects gave us predictable exposure beyond classroom learning and made us more confident presenters. Some of the main challenges we faced were collecting authentic information, coordinating group discussion, and managing time for video shoot. We are faced technical issues like editing and maintaining sound qualities. However, teamwork and mutual support help us overcome this obstacle. The video shoot helped us improve our communication, creativity, and problem solving skill. It gave us hands on experience in teamwork, a digital presentation, and public speaking. We also learned how to apply academic knowledge in a creative real world context. The most enjoyable part was definitely the shooting and brainstorming sessions. We had fun collaborating, rehearsing our parts, and adding creative thoughts, visuals, and background music. It has both educational and entertaining, strengthening our bond as a team. From our teammates, we learned team spirit, patience, adaptability, and leadership. Everyone has unique strengths. Some excelled in research, others in speaking, video editing, or organization. We understand that success comes from irrespective, respecting and learning from each other's skill. Through this project, I identified and developed skills like public speaking, research, coordination, and time management. I also became more confident in expressing ideas clearly, learned the basic of using digital tools for video recording and editing. This project helped us understanding the values of effective communication and cooperation. We learned to listen to different viewpoints, divide tasks fairly, and support one another. It strengthened our ability to work as a team towards a shared goal. I was responsible for presenting the topic exam opportunities in personalized treatment and drug discovery contributed by researching content, preparing my session and participating in the video shoot and editing. This taught me how to work effectively in team, speak confidently, and manage responsibility